Hello YouTubers, this is Dead Simple Ali with another video. In this video I will be unboxing this USB-C docking station by CalDigit. I bought this on Amazon for £189.95 UK pounds sterling and it comes with 1 meter USB cable. Let's go ahead and look at the box. At the front of the box we have the name and the photo of the docking station. This is for powering and expanding USB and Thunderbolt 3 workflows. Some of its key features include laptop charging, multiple displays, universal connection, high-speed charging, aluminum construction, high-quality USB cable, Apple SuperDrive, and shared Wi-Fi. This is compatible with USB-C, legacy USB 3, and Thunderbolt computers. It is also 2016 MacBook Pro compatible. On the side of the box, we have the array of devices that can be connected to this docking station, ranging from computers, tablets, printers, cameras, audio equipment, and external storage drive. It also has the CalDigit website address and QR code. At the back of the box, it has description of some of its advanced features, like USB-C for high-speed data transfer, which can be connected to Mac, PC, Chrome, and even the latest Thunderbolt computers. It has the option to connect multiple displays through HDMI and DisplayPort. Compatible laptops and tablets can be charged via the USB-C. It offers a one-cable solution for data transfer and device charging. An interesting thing to note is that the unit was assembled and tested in the UK, but the components were made in China. On the other side of the box, we have the ports layout at the front and the back of the unit, as well as the technical specifications. It has a list of the interface, power supply adapter specifications, dimensions and weight, system requirement, and the contents of the box. At the bottom of the box, we have the instructions to retain the box in case we need to send the unit for servicing and repair. So let's go ahead and open the box. The first thing we see is the USB cable, which looks like Thunderbolt compatible. It is by CalDigit and it is not of the usual black color. Then we have the power cable with a 3-pin UK plug, and finally the power brick, which is quite big and heavy. It has a wattage of 90 watts output, which is not written here but it's on the box, which is on par with the likes of Surface Book 2 power supply, which basically means that it can power most of the compatible laptops and tablets via USB-C. However, there is no power LED on the brick. We also get a small handy card with details to contact customer services for support. The quick start guide is printed on the partition inside the box. It has a diagram and also steps on how to connect the docking station to the PC and how to power it up. Let's go ahead and take out the docking station. So here is the docking station, which is very nicely packed, surrounded by this soft foam. It comes wrapped in a clear plastic bag Let's take it out and have a look at it. It is small and compact in size and has a premium feel to it. At the front, it has a USB 3 port which can be used for charging, a headphone jack and a microphone jack, and a power LED. On the side, it has the FCC and a bunch of other logos. It has nothing printed on the other side. At the back, it has all the main ports and connectors. It has a DC jack, 2 USB-C ports, 1 display port, 1 HDMI port, gigabit Ethernet port, and 2 USB 3 ports. The aluminum casing all around the unit will double up as a heat sink, which is a very nice feature, particularly if you will be using it for long hours. So to wrap things up, this is what comes in the box. The docking station, the power brick, a uniquely colored USB-C cable, a power cable, a customer support card with details about the website, and a box with quick start guide printed inside it. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have any comments, please leave in the section below, and please give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Take care and bye for now.